Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to use the check-in feature for your face-to-face sessions with your campus coaches as an Upswing student. Once you have logged into your account, you'll want to select Check-in at Campus Location. As you can see, this window will prompt you to sign into your campus location, and you can begin by selecting the building where your session will be held, the room, the reason for your session, and the subject that you will be focusing on with your coach. And now all you have to do is press Check In. Once you are done with your session, you can come back to this window and press Check Out. You can also view the summary of your sessions down below if you ever need to. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with us by emailing speak@upswing.io.